You've driven past it 100 times. That house down the street. Modest. Brick. Nothing special. Until the for sale sign went up. Just 6 days later. Sold. For top dollar. No bidding war. No gimmicks. Just results. And here's the rest of the story. That homeowner didn't choose just any agent. They called the Maryland Real Estate Professionals, a team with a promise as bold as Hollywood itself. Lights, camera, sold. They don't just list homes. They roll out the red carpet. Because your home isn't just a property. It's a premier event, and they guarantee a price acceptable to you, and in a timeline acceptable to you. Guarantee. Just results. Sell fast. Sell with confidence. Sell on your terms. Visit www.soldmd.com and see how your story could end as a blockbuster. www.soldmd.com. And now you know. The Insider Edge.